In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WooCommerce product image sizes. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to customize their online store and ensure their product images are just the right size. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your website. So, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you're not logged in, simply click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials to gain access to your WordPress account. If you've forgotten your password, there are options available to help you retrieve or reset it, which is quite handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find a plethora of options at your disposal. Now, focus on the menu on the left side of the screen. You want to find and click on Appearance. This section of WordPress allows you to customize how your site looks and feels, and it's where you'll be adjusting the image sizes for your WooCommerce products. After clicking on Appearance, look for the Customize option. Clicking on Customize will take you to a new view, showcasing a live preview of your website along with a menu on the left side. It's here that you can really dive into the nitty-gritty aspects of your site's design. Next up, from within the Customize section, look for WooCommerce. Once you locate it, click on it. WooCommerce is the powerhouse behind many online stores and provides full control over e-commerce functionalities, including product images. Following that, you'll want to click on Product Images. This option will bring up the settings where you can adjust the image sizes displayed on your site. These settings control how your product images are viewed by potential customers. Very important for putting your best foot forward. Now, it's time to adjust your image sizes. Depending on your theme and how you want your images to appear, you may need bigger or smaller images. Here, you can change the size settings for the main image, thumbnail image, and other image sizes used throughout your WooCommerce store. Make your changes according to what best suits your aesthetic or functional needs. After setting the image sizes to your satisfaction, make sure to save the changes by hitting Publish. Always preview your site to ensure everything looks good and the images are displaying as intended. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having professional-looking product images that are perfectly sized for your WordPress WooCommerce store. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!